Good evening, folks, and here's another sponsor for our Kalinga para kay Lolo't Lola. And our sponsor, Miss Kathy Salvador, wants to dedicate this piece to his husband on their upcoming wedding anniversary on the 18th day of this month, November. And she said, to you, my darling, all these years you have been amazing as a dad to our kids and as my lover. And I could see that we will be happier for the rest of our days. Thank you for everything. I love you, and I will always do. Happy 23rd anniversary, my love. And their song, something from Shania.
From this moment, life has begun.
From this moment, you are the one.
Right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on,
From this moment, I have been blessed.
now live only for your happiness.
And for your love,
I give my last breath. From this moment on, I give my hand to you with all my heart.
I can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start.
You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I will not give. From this moment on. You're the reason I believe in love.
And you're the answer to my prayer from up above.
All we need is just the two of us. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I will not give. From this moment, I will love you. As long as I live. From this moment on.
Napakasweet pala ng awitin na yan. Once again, para sa husband ni Kabsat and Karuba tayo nga ni Kathy Salvador from Hawaii. Thank you very much po.